Hi KVG, please hide my ID. I'm a man aged 42 years old, married with 3 kids. My wife is 38 years old and is a medical professional. She runs her own surgery and has a plot ranoita horticulture. 4 years ago, she caught me cheating with one of her workers weku plot. I would see her often since ndiri nindaita most of the errands, picking and dropping farm supplies. I'm not proud of what I did. I took advantage of the situation knowing that my wife is always busy in Ebasa, which means she's always tired most of the time to even give me attention. Jisine, the girl lost her job and she hired her brother as a runner. So inini I go to work. I'm a sales executive. I don't earn much. Tunotonaramiswane commission. If I'm being honest, my wife rescued me because the life that I lived before her was not good. It's sad that even her family knows kuti their daughter ndiye akatobata raramo yemhuri yangu. Nyaya KVG ndiye kuti kubasa uku kwandinoshanda. I was accused of sexually harassing an intern. I passed a comment, ndichitojoka, regarding her chest, and she took offense and I was suspended. I explained to my wife that this is what had happened, and obviously she didn't care to listen. She asked me to quit my job immediately. I told her I don't want to quit, and she gave me an ultimatum to either stay on the job or we divorce because of this. So I resigned, and she told me kuti ndigare pamba because unwangu is ruining her reputation. It's been 2.5 years ndichigara pamba, and I feel trapped. As much as everything is being provided for me, I feel it's important as a man to bring those few cents home. Mota yangu akabaisa tracker, and pamba we have cameras. She knows every move yandinoita. Zvichiri zvelove here or avajeri. I've opened up to my parents the way that I'm leaving, pointing out that it's abuse in a way, but they love murora wavo. They ignore my concerns and I don't know what to do anymore. If I file for divorce, I know my children will never forgive me since I'm the one who caused this mess. She can let me go if she wants, but I know she doesn't want to do so because she will have to go half on properties and all other things that she has accumulated all over the years. I really need your advice in a situation yangu. Please read my hot topic. Shewe, let's go in. You can connect with us at 0772162651, powered by our friends from Inbox, the future of money.
All right. So first of all, I don't think the situation Yari is because it was caused by anyone else but himself. From the first time he was caught, or he did that cheating, and yes.
Yeah, say it right.
See, okay.
Not good when he cheated, yeah.
When he cheated, his wife somehow lost trust in him, right? So even though I don't know if she forgave him or not.
I think
which means she
the
loves,
second time,
which means she loves her husband. The second time, but already because that thing that you did the first time is still in the back of her head. Even when Giant explained, he couldn't trust his statement, even though. So I think that inini armu Jerry because of he's unemployed. I don't even think it's jail. She's just having distrust with him. What else is he going to do?
Yeah, so low key armujir. So that's why Mota in a tracker. That's why Papa Panama camera is a good
so now because of his ego as a man, he feels like but he bought this on himself.
Hey,
it's not abuse. You bought this on yourself.
This one on our WhatsApp platform says, hi KVG, a man was not created to submit to a woman, and that situation will definitely kill you inside. So what to do, right? And I think that's why it's a hot topic, because you're here to give us advice and to give us a possible solution. Muruguti Star Family.
Just talk to his wife.
Hi KVG. Right. Pane ma comments awaisa last week uchiti men need to be raised by men.
Yeah.
it is a typical example of where it applies. Zvakanyatsonaka chezvo. Mamwe ma-examples awaipa last week mamwe achona pamwe pachono munhu ainge adzvanyeriwa but apapa this guy is failing to be the man of the house. Saka zvavapa ndizvokuti musituation yese ayi nometa sezvakaitika zvokuti akachiita akadii, but the fact yekuzoni mukadzi ndiye ari kuprovida zvakanyanyisa kupfuura iye zvikubva zvamisa muposition yekuti iye ndiye atova mukadzi pamberi.
Ende mukadzi wacho atobva atomuita mudzimai zveshuwa kana zvangu zvisimbori visible now zvanyatso visible paakunzi chisiya basa utonyatsougara pamba and everything is being provided for you. So saka pano
hakuna murume who performs well musituation yakadaro.
Yeah, pana atonyora kudaro.
So this guy kana ari mumwe ngaadzorerwe life yake nemukadzi.
Anoidzorerwa sei?
Iye akasubmita kumukadzi kuti mukadzi atore maconditions emukadzi iye. Saka meaning kuti one way or the other nese zvakaitika izvo mukadzi yachapedzera akutobohwewa naye murume kwati kutoenda kumberi kwachona uko. Saka this guy ngaadzore life yake azoende kubasa ashande acontribute to the family adzokere kuva murume back oita responsible. Cheating is something that he can address zvakanaka kuti no apa ndakakanganisa and it doesn't necessarily mean kuti nini ndofana kutongwa nezvandakaita. Izvo zvaakuitwa izvo zvekuswera akavharirwa akaiswa makamera izvo kaizvo hasiro life yemurume ane mukadzi. Hakuna haisiro life. Ndo varume vanofana kureza vanhu vatinoti they should be raised by men.
Yes. Yeah.
Because murume unofana kungochitoziva kuti I can't be sitting at home.
Yeah, and kutobvuma kusiya basa, and I think ndo pakafa zvetirese. 0772162651. I would like to believe kwanisa kuwana dzimwe nzira dzekuyananisana. Yes, ndatadza mudzimai wangu but basa handisiye ko ndinongoriritira. I say as much as inini I will say this. I do understand that you can exist in a space, right, with your significant other, say your partner in this case, where your partner ndiye ane chipo chekuwana more. And what we're saying is that kuti baba ibai matoenda munoita bhindauko rekuti mubhite mudzimai wenyu pakuwana. Ndiye akapiwa chipo chekuwana zveshuwa ari kuwana more, but imimi uyaiwo something. So pakubvuma ipapo kuti mabva magara pasi muchiitirwa zvese makaita sei, aiwa kamera inoiswa
2 years,
kamera inoiswa treka kana motari yakatenga anotoisa treka, munoramba sei?
Automborambe because you're using that car. And ipapo pavatotaura kuti zvona akatokanganisa pakutobvuma kusiya basa. Even $2 yo uchiya naye kumba inotocontribute something.
Inotoshanda.
Unototenga magetsi iwaya tinobamba uchitoziva kuti magetsi akutengwa nadhiri. You understand? Than kubva watoti hai ndautongoita couch potato.
No, it's a sad situation, and I don't like mararamiro ari kuita as much as akakanganisa. Maswera sei?
Yes, chimama.
Maswera zvakanaka.
Ndaswera. Hatisi kutaura zvakawanda.
Ndizvo.
But I just want to contribute. Pane chinhu chiri kundisirisa sekuti my other brother is actually ndo inonzi forced marriage. Of course ari kuda kuramba achingomaintaina kuti akaroora, but apa ari mujeri because as a man you are the provider. But kana ukatadza kuprovida uriwo wakushandirwa nemukadzi, so mafruits auri kudya uri kumboziva here kuti ari kubva kupi. Let's say wapiwa a gift netracker, you are being tracked kwese kana ukada kuenda kupi kwese you are being monitored. Is that a marriage? I think mukoma vakatodyiswa vachakwanisa kutiza paposition yavari kutaurawo zvavo but zvakaita